Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can send larger or bigger size video through the WhatsApp. So without wasting time, let's start video. Because we mostly send smaller size of video through the WhatsApp because when we send larger size of video through the WhatsApp, then it will not send. So I will show you how you can send larger size of video through the WhatsApp. So firstly, open the WhatsApp and select the chat on which you send larger size of video. When we click on camera icon and then click on gallery, we cannot send a larger size of video through this. So for this, you will click on this icon and then click on document, and then you will see browse document option. Click on it and then select the video, and then select here the video which you want to send. So you can see this video is 402 MB, so I want to send this video. So here wait some second, then click on send options. So in this way you can send larger or bigger size video through the WhatsApp. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.